Alright, welcome to the final video of this course. Here I am going to tell you what all are the additional resources that you can look upon to advance further in your unit testing learning journey. So, yeah, I will be giving you not one, multiple links to the documentations. First one is for this jest, so jest.io. I will be putting all these links, so don't worry. And here, as you can see, this you have your documentation, and you can take reference from here and go to the API section if you want to dive deeper into what all functionalities that Jest has to offer. Apart from that, you can go to this Typescript documentation, typescript.org, and here you can also go to the docs section. You can go to download if you have not already set it up. Go to the docs and you can click TS for the new programmer or the JS programmer. I recommend you to click on this TS for the JS programmers, and here, as you can see, it will give you a better learning experience. And for the React JS, you can go to this react.dev and you can find everything about React. So click on learn React, and yeah, here you have all your documentation, then installation, and then describing the UI, everything you have. Okay, go to the reference and go to the hooks. So like that, you can learn everything first. Okay, yeah. So now I'm also going to give you one handbook that I have prepared with all the notes basically. So the thing is, like, all the notes that we have in our course are combined to this one thing. And the reason I created this handbook is that you don't have to navigate through multiple notes. Instead, you get everything in here at once. So you can see this. It has everything that is covered in the course. You can take reference from here. All right. So I will be putting the link to all of these. And yeah, thank you for joining this course. Yeah, I will be seeing you next time. Thank you.